Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever wondered why you should have a golden retriever? We're about to watch some funny and goofy moments from my dog, and I guarantee you'll be smiling. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more great content.
Funniest animals videos!
Well, he's angry and excited at the same time. He's ang-cited. Why does he look like he's about to get veneers?
What did you do? What did you do?
He is like,
What?
shh. It's in the
Did you
past,
do?
shh.
Oh, Steve, where did this come from?
Oh.
Did you eat tulip on your toys?
He didn't do it. He just remembered a joke someone told him.
Did you chew this up?
Well, 100% golden, percent retriever.
Have you ever just looked at someone and said,
Bro sleeps like he just worked a 12-hour shift. Gibson calls this Papa's sweet torture game. That was seriously the most judgmental look I've ever seen. He's like, lady, I couldn't be more clear.
Sit over there. This one's for Blue. Tucker. Hey, what do you have?
He was just golden retrieving.
Is that a shoe and a purse? Yeah. Hi, buddy.
Just a kid sulking because he has to leave grandparents' house. Who needs stairs when you've got a free ride every time?
Won't let me pick him up. Get it.
Snake.
Hey, honey, give me a song.
Asked for a song and he's ready, like it's the voice audition. He really can't pretend anymore. How to stop your dog from barking on the road. Just napping, but still starring as the main villain in his dreams.
I don't think so.
Somebody's hunger clock is off a tad.
No, it's never, ever.
Can't even nap in peace when your nose becomes a musical instrument. She definitely cussed you out when she walked out the door.
Loki, stop. Stop chasing the rabbit around.
I don't think
Okay.
his name is Loki, because he's not listening.
You know what?
Girl Paco ain't heard not a word you've said. Leave a message at the beep.
Can you run outside real quick and go potty? And then you can come.
Get your toy. Get your toy.
But Dad, the devil is staring at me.
Get your toy.
Freezing doesn't make you innocent. Sleep hit like a truck. Go time to sit. No time to brace.
Because you went to the dog park and were so tired.
This little guy got into the wrong snacks. I think. The way he just runs away completely unbothered. Deep inside, he's just a big chicken. He really watches and thinks it's real.
She's like, come on, let's run.
Thought he was the hunter. Turned out, he's the prey. Plot twist of the year.
Look at her peeking.
Really cute. He's like, I want all the toys.
Huskies' tantrums always got to be dramatic. The brain is working hard, but the eyes are still bewildered. You gave your mom a heart attack. Love is the best medicine. The way Grandma bakes special treats for the dog is enough to show that the dog holds the most important place in her heart. Now, who is the one Grandma loves the most? The dog is showing its affection in the best possible way.
Seriously.
He's like, what the heck, where's the splash? Watch this husky's adorable reaction when his baby starts crying. This is how he welcomes his human after just 1 week apart. I don't know why, but every time I see you, my face just explodes into smiles. He's absolutely thrilled about his new cactus toy. He may look older now, but he's never stopped wanting to play with me.
Oh, what do you want? What do you want? You tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Yeah.
Hey, that ball's for both of us. Don't hog it. A dog may not cure illness, but it surely soothes a hurting heart. He's like Dad's awake. She almost couldn't hold back her excitement, reunited with her dearest friend. It's like they're whispering secrets to each other. He's just big-boned okay. Still just a baby who needs cuddles. She's so gentle with him, this must be her best friend. I saw that, Dad. Don't mess with her. I may be small, but I'm on full-time baby guard duty. The dog's like, is there more? Gimme more, please. This husky's like, I tried everything, and the baby's still crying.